So coach, after 2 games, one lost, one draw, another tough match. Every match in this league is tough. So what are your expectations for tomorrow's game against Rush?
Now the expectation is that one point in Varaždin turned something. There you could see also the last 10 minutes, because of the preparation you were there, paid off. We were fitter than the opponent, and there's our strength. So at the moment we made the selection, okay, players who are not fit, who came later, okay, they must wait. So the players who will play for 95% are fit. With Michael we must make a decision, our big born.
What can you tell us about Rudeš? They don't have any points, but they showed against Rijeka and especially against Osijek that they can be very dangerous.
In Rijeka they were unlucky. That penalty what you saw came from nothing. They could score 1-1. And then it was a thin line that Rijeka, a little bit out of the proportions, I think, walked out to 4-0. Now, and the 3-0 against Osijek was remarkable. How quick they went out to 3-0. And yeah, that they lost 3-4 was physically, I think, on the end. But that they are a top team is a fact. They're a very good team.
You mentioned in first answer less 10 minutes in Varaždin. What do you think? How it's important that your team showed that kind of character, and what will that mean for tomorrow's game?
That means that it's a sign to the home crowd, because everything what we try to build up is positive. The glass always half full, so the boys deserve that point. In the home game against Rudeš, yeah, it's massive importance. We take 3 points. This season we didn't win 1 game, so tomorrow is like a final for us. So we approach this game also. Now I think Rudeš also, because they are in the corner with 0 points, what they also don't deserve. So they also want to take revenge. So it will be a big clash.
Tomorrow is our first game on our home pitch, on our stadium. Your debut in front of our fans.
Yeah, it's not about me. I always say, the coach, I'm almost 60. I look younger, but I'm almost 60. It's the players. The players need to demonstrate their art, their skill, their initiative, what we did second half in Varaždin. And at the moment we have that proactive style, the fans will automatically be enthusiastic. So we must make them enthusiastic. At the moment it's a little bit, yeah, nobody knows exactly what's the identity this season, but I can assure one thing. We try to play proactive, to take initiative, to create scoring chances, not stand behind the tree, to play for the fans.
What about our team? Are there any problems? Will you change something for tomorrow's game?
Yeah, we will change a few positions. Yeah.